Here's a more difficult one. This one is a function, and you can see it's a simple function. It takes 3 parameters. Each parameter is just inserted directly into that string, right? 2 of the parameters have default values, b equals 5 and c equals 10. A is required. So here are different ways that I could call that function. I could say 3 and 7. So this would obviously be 3. This would be 7. What would it print here? 10. Okay, now I have 25, right, for A, and I've specified C equals 24, which I can do. What will it print for B in that case? What does it print here? Because I've specified 25 and 24. For 25 and 24, what does it print here? Right, yeah, the default. So it takes, if I don't specify B, then it takes the default and puts it there. Now in this case, I've specified A and C, but I've specified them out of order. Now, since A is required, if I want to specify them out of order, and honestly, I can't think of a single reason why I would need to do this, but if I want to specify them out of order, I can do that for anything that's required. But if it's required, I have to specify that. Because otherwise what it does is if it's not required, it'll just fill in whatever the next one is. So if I want to specify them in a different order and A is required, I need something that says A equals down here. So A equals 100, C equals 50, and B would equal 5 again. Those are all valid ways to use default arguments in a function like this.